I always like to start with the why, right? Starting with first principles. Why does this matter, right? Beyond the hype, beyond what everyone has been probably undoubtedly talking about. Everyone wants to get in on the generative AI parade. But let's talk about some actual statistics, right? So 65% of organizations have already started using generative AI. And this generative AI adoption has surged 17% just from 2023 to 2024, and I expect that it's going to shift even more as we really roll into 2025. I mean, I guess you could say we're past Q1, so we're well rolling into 2025 already. But I believe that we're going to continue to see an increase in adoption, and not only are we going to see that on the enterprise side, we're also going to see that the consumers are also going to be more comfortable with AI-based solutions, with AI-based let's say artifacts or AI-based services. And that's also going to drive adoption both in the enterprise and consumer sector, right? So the market projects, and I've heard different numbers all over. So, this is just one number. You may have heard a different number, but I'll share one number that I saw that was cool, but that was interesting from this McKinsey report, that the market is projected to reach about 1.8 trillion by 2030, doubling market size every 2 years, right? So we're talking about almost like the new Moore's Law. If you know what Moore's Law is, which is about the doubling of transistors every 2 years, right? We're seeing something very similar in the AI space. And I think that we're going to continue to see that in the coming decade or more. And 67% of organizations expect to actually increase their investment in AI over the next 3 years.